Hello, and thank you for joining us at ProMat DX 2021. I'm Jenna Reed, Product Marketing Manager for Emerging Technologies.
Hi, and I'm Jason Dunnigan, Head of Account Management here in North America.
I'd like to welcome you to Charging the Future, Jungheinrich Lithium-ion powered solutions. If you take a moment to look around you, you'll notice lithium-ion products are everywhere. We use lithium-ion batteries every day. Starting from when you get ready in the morning, you can find lithium-ion batteries in electric toothbrushes and electric razors. You might even drive an electric car powered by a lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion batteries are on our wrists in smartwatches, and we certainly carry them around in our pockets because they're also in our smartphones. In fact, you're likely using a device right now operated by lithium-ion. Modern technology has benefited greatly by the advantages of using lithium-ion, and that's because it provides longer operating times, faster charging times. It's lighter, thinner, and smaller than lead acid, and can be configured to fit unique arrangements like in our ETV 216i. In many ways, lithium-ion is powering our way into the future. So what's driving lithium-ion in the material handling industry? Well, in many ways, it's because of the same benefits realized with consumer products. But it's also being driven by market demands and shifts in the industry, which have created a catalyst for the adoption of lithium-ion products. We found it boils down to these three main factors. First is that the market is shifting from internal combustion to electric. Since 2017, the electric portion of the market and the overall growth has been attributed to electric trucks. And with lithium-ion, you can switch a fleet from IC to electric without all the infrastructure changes. There's no need to dedicate valuable space for a battery room, have ventilation systems installed, or have space dedicated for extra batteries to maintain multi-shift operations. It's also safe with no exposure to corrosive chemicals or gassing. Second is the increase in distribution and fulfillment centers. The expectation has been set for 2 days or less for delivery, and it's getting shorter. Now, next day or even same day delivery is what's being requested. In order to fulfill our insatiable appetite for immediate gratification, these facilities are operating 24/7, 365. And lithium-ion is able to support these demands by providing the efficiency and continuous power to get those shipments out the door. By charging during breaks and lunches, a single lithium-ion battery can go 3 shifts, whereas a lead-acid battery in a comparable application would need charged after the first shift. The third driving factor is from the adoption of AGVs. We've all heard the phrase, do more with less. Well, that's the role AGVs play in the material handling industry. AGVs help fill the labor shortage and turnover while giving more opportunities for employees to develop new skills and contribute to other critical business functions. Lithium-ion is an ideal solution due to its high efficiency and long run times, which optimize operations and generate the greatest throughput. Additionally, just like our phones and computers, advanced technology deserves an advanced battery. The Jungheinrich fully integrated lithium-ion battery solution provides the optimum experience in performance, service life, efficiency, and safety through a completely connected system of battery, charger, and truck. Now let's take a look at how Jungheinrich's lithium-ion batteries are designed to meet the truck's toughest application requirements and exacting standards of quality and performance expected from Jungheinrich. me hand it over to my colleague, Jason Dunnigan. Jason?
Thanks, Jenna. Jungheinrich was born electric over 65 years ago and has been a pioneer in lithium-ion technology. Our lithium-ion is quality you have come to know and trust from Jungheinrich, made in Germany. We first showcased a lithium-ion prototype way back in 2008. We've had a series-ready vehicle in use since 2011. In the race for electromobility and intralogistics, Jungheinrich's confidently taken the lead and mastered lithium-ion technology like no other manufacturer. Globally, there's no other brand that has more lithium-ion forklifts in service than Jungheinrich. We're the technological leader, and we set the standards. Jungheinrich has successfully implemented large fleets of lithium-ion in various applications and has over 200 units in operation at a single automotive facility in Mexico for the last 3 years, and also various other sites throughout the US. We do this and we help organizations lower their CO2 emissions. More than 20% of all our units manufactured are fitted with our lithium-ion batteries, and given the ability to fully recharge in just 80 minutes, we're seeing a clear upwards trend. With an industry-leading 5-year unlimited hour warranty, no maintenance cost, there's no excuse not to try Jungheinrich lithium-ion batteries. So contact one of our 350 locations to set up a demo today. Thank you so much for joining us at the ProMat DX 2021 this year. Look forward to seeing you all real soon.